Before the tide turns, I speak to the silence. This is a meditation for the Cancer New Moon. I return to the waters that remember. You are listening to Daughter of the Ancestors. Breathe, listen, begin. The Cancer New Moon, a time for renewal and reflection. The Cancer New Moon invites you to embrace the nurturing energy of the cosmos. This is a time to reflect inward, to set intentions, and to cultivate a sense of emotional security. Engage in rituals that honor your inner world. Light a candle, write down your dreams, and take a quiet moment to meditate. As you do, let grace guide your journey to renewal and spiritual growth. Before colonizers drew false borders, before time was split by clocks and calendars, our people knew how to listen to the water. In the Yoruba tradition, water is not just an element. It's a deity, a messenger, a mother. During this moon, when the sun slips into Cancer and the moon disappears into herself, the Yoruba people turn inward. This is a time to honor Oshun, whose mirror reflects the truth of our emotions. A time to call upon Yimaha, mother of the fish, protector of wombs, spirit of vast waters and deep healing. Rituals at this time are not loud. They are still. They are sacred. Offerings of water, honey, and cool oil are left near rivers. Prayers are spoken, not always aloud, but softly, from the chest, from the belly, from the space behind the eyes. And on the Gullah coast, where the tide tells time, the people remember. The Cancer New Moon is a night of memory, of calling the names of the ones who crossed, not just the ones who survived, but the ones who become water. We take to our porches. We whisper. We sweep. We pour water from one bowl to another to honor the transfer of life. We sing low, and we say, "Let the moon cover me like a quilt sewn by my grandmother's hands." This moon teaches us the medicine of stillness, not to retreat in fear, but to return in fullness, to rest our bones in the memory of who we have been, to let the waters rise, not to draw us, but to cleanse us. This Cancer New Moon is not a doing ritual. It's a being ritual. Place your hand on your womb. Place your hand on your heart. And whisper to the water that's within you. I remember. I return. I am restored. Ashe, Ashe, Ashe. This video is about the powerful influence of the new moon in Cancer. I'll be offering insights into its astrological significance and how it may influence your emotions and your personal life. I will do a ritual to help ground you in this energy and also a meditation to help center your emotions. Let's navigate this energy and harness its potential for growth and self-discovery. If you're feeling a little more emotional than usual, you're not alone. The Cancer new moon is upon us, and its energy is potent. Want to know how this astrological event can impact your emotions and your personal life? Join me as we explore its power and learn how to navigate it. The Cancer new moon is a time for deep emotional healing and personal growth. Here, we will talk about practical tips and guidance on how to harness its power for self-discovery and create a life filled with love and fulfillment. Don't miss out on this powerful opportunity to align with the universe. The new moon in Cancer is a powerful time for introspection and emotional healing. This video will guide you through an ancestral ritual designed to connect you with the past to preserve the present. The new moon in Cancer is a time for deep emotional intensity. An ancestral veneration can assist you in connecting with the past, your past ancestors, to help you along your journey today. This ritual is a journey of self-discovery, past remembrance, and ancestral veneration designed to help you tap into your inner strength and cultivate a deeper sense of self-love. Welcome. You've entered a night of deep water, of quiet power, of sacred return. This Cancer new moon invites you to rest in the memory of your waters, in the voice of your womb, and in the wisdom of your bones. Sit or lie down. Feel the weight of your spine, the shape of your bones, the rhythm of your breath. This is where your ancestors speak first. Now call to them, softly, or only in your heart. Come to me, those who dreamed me into being. Come to me through the water. I remember. Place your hands over your womb or over your heart. And ask, what do I need to feel in order to heal? Don't rush the answer. You don't have to fix it. You don't have to name it. This is not doing a ritual. This is being a ritual. Breathe in through your nose and out through your mouth. Again, inhale the silence. Exhale the story. Inhale the memory. Exhale the mask. Using either water or oil, anoint your third eye, your heart, or your womb, and say, I return to myself. I return to the ones who walked before me. I return to the rhythm that remembers me. Let the moon rest inside you. Let your breath tell you what you need. Let the waters wash what no longer belongs. As the sun returns to water, so do I return to the wisdom within. Ashe, Ashe, Ashe. The new moon in Cancer is a powerful time for introspection and emotional healing. This video will guide you through an ancestral ritual designed to connect you with the past to preserve the present. The new moon in Cancer is a time for deep emotional intensity. An ancestral veneration can assist you in connecting with the past, your past ancestors, to help you along your journey today. This ritual is a journey of self-discovery, past remembrance, and ancestral veneration designed to help you tap into your inner strength and cultivate a deeper sense of self-love. Tonight, we return to the womb, to the waters, to the place before forgetting. With the Cancer new moon, the tide pulls inward. The sky grows dark. And in that darkness, we find truth. Place your hand on your womb or your heart. Let the breath drop. Let your shoulders loosen. Feel your spine, the bones that remember. Feel your breath, the rhythm of the ones who breathed before you. Now, speak softly or say it in your heart. What do I need to feel in order to heal? You don't need to do. You don't need to fix. You are not broken. This is not doing a ritual. This is being a ritual. Place your fingertips in the water. Anoint your forehead, your wrist, your womb. Say to yourself, I anoint myself in the name of return. The moon knows me. The water remembers me. Breathe. Be still. Receive. As the sun returns to water, so too do you return to the wisdom within, the softness, the silence, the knowing. Let it rise, let it rest. And when you are ready, say Ashe, Ashe, Ashe. Your Ori has heard you. The ancestors have witnessed. The moon has marked your return. Come back when you feel scattered. Come back when you are ready to rise again. Daughter of the ancestors, always returning, always remembered.